lot of you, I think, are worried about your jobs, retirement accounts, your ability to send your child or your grandchild to college.
I think he did a really good job. I think he came across as very classy and collected. He didn't lose his cool like a lot of people maybe.
Back in 2008, Chelsea was living and breathing the Obama campaign, devoting every spare minute that she had to it. Today she has other concerns in the shape of little baby Harrison, and she says even more reason than ever to support the president.
4 years ago, we worked so hard to try to get health care, and now my child is directly affected. He was born with 2 congenital heart defects. One, he had to have surgery when he was 5 days old. And luckily they were able to catch it in time, and they were able to repair it, and it's a perfect repair, so we're optimistic he won't have any more issues.
Right.
But he does have a secondary congenital heart defect that'll have to be watched for the rest of his life. And it's something that could either cause him no problems, or it could cause him problems at any time. So we just have to make sure we keep having him watched. Balthazar!
Yeah. And how does Obama's Healthcare Act, how does that make any difference?
Well, he definitely has pre-existing conditions.
Right.
And before the Affordable Care Act, he could have been denied coverage, which is what we fought so hard against. It's one of the most disgusting things about our healthcare system, as it were. And then also the lifetime caps could have really hurt him, especially the lifetime caps when an insurance company can cap you off at a certain dollar amount for your care throughout your lifetime.
Because you've got a certain illness?
Yeah. If the secondary heart defect starts bothering him and he has to have surgeries, or if he has to have another repair of his aorta, then he could easily cap out.
Pretty much from birth, his whole healthcare rights used to be would have been framed by the system.
We would have been so scared to death. What if something happened that we couldn't afford to pay for?
Wow. So that's a big difference.
Big difference.
Some people, even former Obama supporters or Obama supporters, people who are going to vote for him, but they say, you know, what's he done? What's he? I mean, because that's out there, isn't it? It's quite a lot of it out there. How do you respond? What do you say?
I just can't imagine where else we would have ended up. And I don't know what people expected to happen in 4 years.
Last time you were really involved, weren't you? You would kind of almost 24/7.
I knew every poll. I knew every poll. I knew every report. I knew every interview. I knew who all the surrogates were.
What are you going to do this time? Just phone bank or something?
No, I don't phone bank. I would rather canvass, go knock on doors, especially since now that I have Harrison, I could show them that I have somebody here who is strongly affected by what no one can say he hadn't done, which was pass health care.
Is it more mellow this time?
Yeah.
More disinterested?
It's like everything that happened in 2008 sort of floated away. But once in a while, like I still have a bumper sticker, someone will come up and say something about my bumper sticker, good or bad.
Right.
I either get a finger or a smile.